कुपवाड़ा जिले में एलओसी के नजदीक किरण सेक्टर में फौज ने तीरंदाजी की कोशिश को नाकाम बनाया और 5 दहशतगर्दों को हलाक कर दिया। हालिया ऑपरेशन में फौज के 5 जवान भी शहीद हुए हैं, जिनमें सूबेदार संजीव कुमार, बालकृष्ण, पैराट्रूपर छत्रपाल सिंह, हवालदार देवेंद्र सिंह और पैराट्रूपर अमित कुमार शामिल हैं। चिनार कॉर्प्स 15 कोर के कमांडर लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल बीएस राजू ने केरन ऑपरेशन की तफसीलात फराहम की है।
Operation Rangdori Bahek was an operation conducted over 5 days by our formation, in which we were successfully able to neutralize 5 terrorists who had infiltrated from Pak-occupied Kashmir. Upfront, I must compliment my men who were able to successfully complete this operation in spite of extremely challenging terrain and weather conditions. The infiltration happened on the 1st of April early in the morning. And this particular bit was immediately detected by the battalion deployed along the line of control, who, as per standard operating procedure, immediately gave a chase. The battalion, in spite of extremely challenging conditions, was able to make contact with the terrorists at approximately 1300 hours. And in the brief contact firefight that took place, the terrorists abandoned their heavy loads and were able to bolt down a deep gorge. By late evening, the formation responsible for that particular area was able to successfully isolate the terrorists in the north along the line of control and in the south along the Shamshabari Ridge. Over the next 2 days, on the 2nd and 3rd of April, the formation conducted multiple helicopter and UAV sorties to get better situational awareness. They also used this time to isolate the terrorists both from the east and west, thereby completely isolating the terrorist column. On the 4th of April, by midday, based on the information available with us on the likely location of terrorists, special forces were dropped in the close vicinity by helicopters. As this column was approaching the target area, one of the terrorists, who probably was a guide, started to return back towards the LC and who ran straight into the stops of the LC battalion, and he was neutralized immediately. The special forces who were approaching the target area were traversing an extremely challenging terrain in very high snow levels and over extremely steep slopes